Life has a very unique way of reminding us where our true power lies. We often spend our days chasing success, chasing recognition, chasing achievements that glitter on the outside but leave us empty on the inside. We look at others and compare their journey with ours, and in that process, we forget the most important truth. Success is never chased, it is attracted. And it is only attracted when you work on the one person who is at the center of everything, yourself. If you grow, success grows with you. If you transform, opportunities transform around you. And if you learn to value yourself, the world will eventually follow. Today, I want to share with you 5 powerful reminders. These are not just lessons, they are guiding principles. They tell us that the journey to success begins not in the world outside, but within the world inside. If you work on you, success will not just follow, it will become inevitable. Number 1, build your inner strength. Strength is not what people see when life is easy. Strength is revealed when everything falls apart, when your plans fail, when the people you trusted turn their backs on you, and when life brings you to your knees. It is in those moments that your inner strength decides whether you will stay down or rise again. Inner strength is not something you are born with, it is something you train yourself to build. Every time you choose to keep going despite the pain, every time you refuse to give up when giving up feels easier, you are building a strength that no circumstance can take away. This strength is invisible to the world, but it shows up in the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, and the way you handle adversity. The world may admire your success, but success only comes because of the resilience you developed in silence when no one was watching. Obstacles are not there to destroy you, they are there to train you. Just like weights in the gym, life's struggles may feel heavy, but every time you lift them, you grow stronger. Without resistance, there is no growth. Without difficulty, there is no resilience. When you focus on building your inner strength, you stop being controlled by fear. You stop breaking under pressure. Instead, you become someone who bends but never snaps. And this unshakable spirit is exactly what success is drawn to, because success knows you are ready to carry it. Every scar you carry, every tear you've shed, every night you've cried in silence, they are not signs of weakness. They are evidence of battles survived, storms endured, and strength gained. They are reminders that you are stronger than anything that has tried to break you. So stop waiting for life to get easier and start building the strength to handle it. Because once you are unshakable on the inside, no storm on the outside can stop you, and success will always follow that kind of strength. Number 2, learn relentlessly. The world is constantly evolving, and if you want success to follow you, you must be willing to evolve with it. The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing, and when you stop growing, you stop moving forward. Success belongs to those who stay students of life, no matter how much they achieve. Learning is not confined to classrooms. Every mistake is a lesson. Every failure is a teacher. Every experience carries wisdom. The greatest learners are not those who never fall, but those who rise with new knowledge every time they do. When you commit to learning relentlessly, you expand your vision. You begin to see opportunities where others see problems. You begin to innovate where others complain. And most importantly, you begin to create your own path instead of waiting for one to appear. Knowledge is not just power, it is freedom. It frees you from repeating old mistakes. It frees you from being dependent on others, and it frees you from living a life without clarity. The more you learn, the more confident you become in carving your own destiny. Learning also keeps you humble. The more you know, the more you realize how much more there is to understand. And humility itself is a magnet for success, because the world opens doors for those who remain teachable, while it closes doors for those who think they know it all. Every book you read, every skill you develop, every perspective you gain is like sharpening the sword of your life. And when life calls you to battle for your dreams, you will be prepared not because you waited for luck, but because you prepared through learning. So never stop learning. Be hungry for growth. Be curious. Be teachable. Because the more you grow within, the more success grows around you. Number 3, value your uniqueness. In a world that constantly tells you who to be, the greatest courage is to remain yourself. Too many people spend their lives trying to fit in, trying to copy others, trying to hide the parts of themselves that make them different. But what they don't realize is that their uniqueness is their power. You are not meant to be a copy, you are meant to be an original. Your story, your scars, your experiences, your strengths, and even your weaknesses, they all combine to create a person the world has never seen before. And when you embrace that truth, you become unforgettable. Comparison is the thief of joy. The more you compare yourself with others, the more you rob yourself of your own greatness. Your path is yours alone, and when you stop looking left and right, you finally have the energy to walk forward. Success does not follow those who blend in. It follows those who stand out. The world remembers originals, not replicas. And the only way to stand out is to own your uniqueness, even if it makes others uncomfortable. When you stop apologizing for who you are, you stop living for validation. And when you stop living for validation, you start living in truth. Authenticity builds trust, and trust opens doors that imitation never can. Your struggles are not something to hide, they are something to showcase. They prove your resilience. They prove your journey. They prove your humanity. And these are the very things that will inspire others and attract opportunities. So stop dimming your light to make others comfortable. Because when you dare to be authentic, success follows not because you chased it, but because you became someone worth following. Number 4, discipline over motivation. Motivation is powerful, but it is temporary. Some days you feel unstoppable, and other days you can't even find the strength to begin. That is why success does not belong to the motivated, it belongs to the disciplined. Discipline means doing the work even when you don't feel like it. It means staying committed when the excitement is gone. It means showing up for yourself consistently, no matter what. Because true success is built on small, consistent actions repeated over time. When you build discipline, you no longer depend on moods. You no longer wait for the perfect time. You create results, not excuses. And success naturally follows people who can be trusted to show up day after day without fail. Discipline is not a punishment, it is freedom. It frees you from procrastination, it frees you from regret, it frees you from the cycle of starting and quitting. It gives you control over your future because it gives you control over yourself. Every habit you build, every routine you stick to, every time you push yourself when you didn't want to, you are laying bricks for the foundation of your success. And one day, those small, invisible efforts will build the future you once only dreamed of. The disciplined person does not ask, "Do I feel like it?" They say, "I do it because it must be done." And that mindset alone separates those who dream of success from those who achieve it. So don't rely on fleeting motivation. Train yourself with discipline. Because once you master yourself, you master success. Number 5, heal and grow from within. You cannot build a strong future while dragging the weight of a broken past. Too many people carry wounds they never address: anger, regret, resentment, and these wounds silently destroy their progress. To truly work on yourself, you must heal from within. Healing does not mean forgetting. It means forgiving, letting go, and freeing yourself from the chains of pain. Forgiveness is not about others, it is about you. You deserve peace more than you deserve revenge. When you heal, you make room for growth. You stop sabotaging yourself with anger. You stop wasting your energy on bitterness. You begin to see life with clarity instead of through the filter of old pain. Healing creates space for blessings to enter. Your scars are not weaknesses, they are proof that you survived. They are proof that life tried to break you, but you are still here. And when you carry that strength within you, success is naturally drawn to you because you become unstoppable. Working on yourself is not only about adding new skills or chasing new goals, it is also about releasing what holds you back. When you let go of pain, when you release resentment, when you choose peace over bitterness, you rise higher. Growth begins where pain ends. Every time you heal, you grow stronger. Every time you release, you rise higher. Every time you forgive, you move freer. And this freedom is exactly what allows success to follow you with ease. So choose to heal, choose to grow, choose to rise. Because once you are whole within, the world outside will reflect that wholeness back to you in the form of success. At the end of the day, success is not a destination you stumble upon. It is a reflection of who you become along the way. You cannot demand it, you cannot chase it endlessly, and you cannot force it into your life. But you can attract it by working on the only thing that you truly have control over yourself. The moment you choose to build inner strength, to keep learning, to value your uniqueness, to live with discipline, and to heal from within, you transform into the kind of person success naturally follows. It no longer becomes a matter of luck or chance, it becomes a matter of certainty. So stop looking outside for the answers. Stop running after people, positions, or possessions to define you. The world does not give you success, you give it to yourself by becoming worthy of it. Work on you, and the world will recognize your value. Work on you, and opportunities will appear. Work on you, and success will not just follow, it will never leave your side.